I got blindfolded by my chef friend in Pakistan to taste test my palate.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Let's see how good I am.
So for the first ingredient, we have puffed rice.
And this is giving me Rice Krispies vibes. It just reminds me of a cereal, like some sort of popped kernel maybe. I think I'm gonna go with Rice Krispies.
That is puffed rice, you are correct.
Yes.
Tomato chutney. It might be a little bit spicy, but whatever. And chutney's not gonna be a good enough answer. I need to hear tomato.
Okay, it's a bit of heat. It reminds me of a chutney. My immediate response is imli chutney, tamarind chutney. It's like something you would add in pani puri or, no, it's not imli chutney. I had this before. It's a bit spicier than imli chutney. I'm not getting that sweetness or that tartness you would get with imli. If I say chutney, is that going to be correct, or do you want me to be more specific?
Please be more specific.
Okay, so it is along those lines, I guess. I'm just going to go with imli chutney.
The correct answer is tomato chutney.
Tomato. Ah, it's a lot better than ketchup. Way better than ketchup.
Sweet makna, candied lotus seed.
It's sweet. It reminds me of jaggery. I think that's just a piece of concentrated cane sugar, unless there's some other seeds in there. It's really gritty. I'm gonna go with concentrated cane sugar.
So the appropriate response is sweet makna. I would have also taken lotus seed or foxnut. It's candied, and I picked this up in Old Lahore when you were watching.
Ah, that's where you got.
Mustard powder. This is used in chutneys, in pickles. Might be kind of a move to give it to him, but I gave him raw haldi last time.
What the hell? That's like a powder? Oh. Yo, that's like drying my mouth. It reminds me of an insect. I feel like I'm eating a bug. I'm also getting drywall vibes, like I'm eating a piece of drywall. Oh, is that thing? What is that? I think my mom uses this. It's a seed that's dried and then blended or pulsed into a powder. Can you give me a hint on the name? Or like, no, like that's a bit too much.
No hints.
Yeah, okay. Come on, mama, what is it? I have a feeling it has the letter J in it, M in it, R or A. Like those letters are coming into my mind. I'm gonna say amla powder. I don't know if that's a correct name or not.
A critical key ingredient in pickles and chutneys is mustard powder.
Mustard powder. Oh.
Our last ingredient is candied fennel. I won't take fennel or saunf for an answer. I need to hear candied fennel.
Easy, that's saunf. Sugar-coated fennel seeds.
That is absolutely correct, sir.
I was so close on the tomato chutney.
So close, bro. You're so close.
Some sort of chutney.